So I made a two-motor toy car, and with three switches. This switch turns both of them on, and this controls the speed, as you can see here. It goes down, and this one makes this one turn anti-clockwise, and vice versa with this one. So if I turn that on, it's negative, and this one's the main. So if I turn this off, both of them will turn off. And here's the code. It's very basic code with just numbers. Like, I just like keeping this here so I know what's what, and I can keep everything organized. That's basically it.